Okay, on display here we do have the Yamaha ATS-1090 Soundbar. And take a look at it's got like a fabric cloth top to it, and there's a subtle branding. Here are some of the inputs that it has, but most importantly we wanted to show you guys what it sounds like. This is the going rate for this soundbar here at a local Costco, so it's a pretty affordable soundbar. It does have the Alexa built into it. Here are some more of the specifics of built-in subwoofers in the soundbar itself, so it doesn't come with an external soundbar. It's got easy setup, connect right to your TV with an HDMI or an optical cable. It's got the surround sound Virtual X. You can connect this thing up to Bluetooth. It says clear voice. You can hear your TV and movie dialogue with better clarity. And of course it's got Spotify in case you want to hook that up. But let's go ahead and give you guys a sample of what the sound is if you had this thing set up in your living room. Okay, that gives you a glimpse and an actual sound test of this. I know some of you guys are listening through your cell phones, but that's the best that we can do as far as giving you a sound test of what to expect when it comes to this Yamaha ATS-1090 soundbar.